Howdy, flavor wranglers. Get ready to lasso some incredible taste today because we're diving into a cowboy beef dip recipe that's pure gold. This hearty, cheesy, and unbelievably delicious dip is about to become your go-to for game nights, family dinners, or just a fantastic snack. It's simple to make and packed with bold flavors everyone will love. For this crowd-pleasing dip, you'll need about a pound of lean ground beef. That's our foundation. Grab a block of cream cheese, a generous cup of shredded cheddar, a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning. These simple ingredients create magic. First, brown your ground beef in a skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain off any excess fat for the best texture. Next, stir in the taco seasoning, the diced tomatoes with green chilies, and the cream cheese. Keep stirring until the cream cheese is completely melted and everything is wonderfully combined and creamy. Now fold in most of your shredded cheddar cheese, reserving a little bit for the top. Transfer this glorious mixture into an oven-safe dish. Sprinkle with the remaining cheddar and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until it's bubbly and golden brown. Serve hot with tortilla chips, crackers, or crusty bread. This cowboy beef dip is a guaranteed hit.